Guys,
Hello vlog! Welcome to my guys! So I'm Nurhama Faith Canada
And I'm Zaharia M. Salibo.
Halima M. Tokas. O, diba?
Pattern in nature are visible regularities of form found in the natural world. These patterns recur in different contexts and can sometimes be modeled mathematically. Natural pattern are symmetries, trees, spiral, waves, foams, tessellation, cracks, stripes.
Ang unang halimbawa natin ay pattern ng symmetry. Ang unang halimbawa nito ay dahon ng rambutan. Halimbawa ng symmetry. Pag i-fold mo ng ganito, kung ano makikita mo sa kabila, yun din ang makikita mo dito. Kahit ipaganito mo, kung ano makikita mo dito, yun din ang makikita sa kabila.
Another example of symmetry is yung kung anong makikita mo dito na part ay ganun din yung makikita mo dito.
Symmetry is a predictable and perfect regularity within pattern. In symmetric pattern, certain aspects of the pattern are produced identically when other aspect of pattern are changed. Symmetrical pattern are a design or pattern that is the same on both halves when folded.
Our next pattern is spiral or curve pattern. For example, this is snail. Simula sa pinakamaliit, paikot hanggang sa maglaki.
Another example of pattern is stripes.
Stripes is a line or band that differs in a color or tone from an adjacent areas. Stripe are group of such lines.
So yung pang-apat na halimbawa natin or pattern natin sa nature is yung tessellation. Isa sa example nito ay pineapple.
A tessellation or tilling is a covering of a surface, often a plane using one or more geometric shapes called tiles with no overlaps and no gaps. Waves is also a pattern. Waves shape repeats itself over a consistent interval of time and distance. Trees are fractals in nature, meaning that pattern created by the large structures such as the main branches repeat themselves in smaller structures such as smaller branches. Foam are pattern in nature that are formed from repeating spheres. Foam are a volume of bubbles of many size, where the space between each larger bubbles contains smaller bubbles. In some ways, foams can be fractals.
Another example of pattern is crack.
Cracks form when earth dries up and shrinks. The cracks form over a range of scales and share the same characteristic shapes. These cracks form perfect sites for seeds to sprout. A dry old log show a similar fractal cracking pattern.
So guys, dito nagtatapos ang ating video.